It's your boy Odin from Host.Promo, and I'm super excited to show you how to get a free domain from GoDaddy plus $1 hosting plus access to a bunch of promotions and special offers, okay? I'm also going to be going over GoDaddy's features. If you don't care to hear about the features and you just want the promotion code, I will have that link down below in the pinned comment as well as the description. And if you're not familiar with GoDaddy, they are a web hosting company that launched in 1997. And they manage over 60 million domains, making them the biggest domain register and web host by market share in the entire world, okay? They have 9 data centers around the world. They have monthly payments, yearly payments, domain purchase, API, DDoS protection, WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, shared hosting, and a website builder. They are very transparent about their leadership team. You can even come to Host.Promo and click each one of these people's profiles and read more about them. And I'm going to be going over the promotions and how to activate them. So if you click the link down below, it will bring you to a page like this where you can get hosting for $1 plus a free domain. And this is one of their best deals, but say you don't want hosting and you want just a domain, you can get that too, okay? What you need to do when you're on this page is you need to go to the top right corner and click promos. Once you're on the promos page, you can come down here and you can see $4.99 .com domains, $1 hosting, $1 managed WordPress hosting, or you can get 30% off new product purchases. And they also have some other cool deals. If you come here and you see these green tabs, and for example, you click hot deals, it will bring you to a page like this where you can activate free trials, free website builder, free online store, and you can activate all these different trials and hot deals that they currently have, okay? So by clicking the link down below, and then you can either take advantage of this main promotion or you can go to promos in the right corner and check out all the other promotions. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like. If you have any questions about GoDaddy, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I love helping people out when it comes to hosting. And make sure to check out Host.Promo if you're interested in finding the best web host and promotion going on at any given time. And I wish you guys the best of luck with your web host or domain journey. Peace out.